how to fix the Roblox player not moving glitch. If you want to fix it, then what you have to do is to click on the Roblox logo in the top left, then go into settings, scroll down until you see view and controls and movement mode. Here where it says click to move, you want to change that either to default or keyboard plus mouse, and you will click on resume. Now, as you can see, I can move. Another thing that we can do is to open up our computer search and search for run. Click on run. Here you will type this %local app data %. Click OK. Now select any folder, type R until you find Roblox. Right click on the Roblox folder and delete it. This is going to delete just temporary files, so you shouldn't worry about it. Afterwards, your Roblox game should work without any issues. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.